Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to zoom the entire part or any part of the mobile screen in Samsung smartphone running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Samsung smartphone. So firstly what you need to do is just go to the phone settings and just scroll down, and you will see here one option, accessibility. Just tap on it, and now you will see here one option, visibility enhancement. Just tap on it and just scroll down below, and you will see here one option, magnification. Just tap on it. Now just enable this magnification shortcut and just tap on it. Now you will get options how to operate or activate this feature. So you can select different features here. You can use the triple tap screen. Also you can use the press side and volume up keys, press and hold volume up and down keys for 3 seconds, or you can use the accessibility button also. So right now I'll use the triple tap screen, and you can now move back. You can see some instructions also if you want to read the instructions here below. So after enabling this option, now what you need to do is, say I've selected a triple tap, so I'll just triple tap on the mobile screen. So let me show you. 1 2 3. So you can see here a square box appearing. That means the magnification or the magnifier has been turned on. So if you want to drag it, just use the 2 finger to move it. So you can see here. So in order to maximize this, you can maximize it just by swiping upwards, and to minimize, swiping downwards. And you can see here one floating symbol just at the right bottom. Just tap on it. Now you will see here different options to activate. So if you want to enable the full screen mode, then you can use the fourth option. So you can see here it will use the entire mobile screen to zoom in. So you can just swipe upwards or swipe downwards in order to increase or decrease. And if you want to move back, just tap on this button. It will be restored to the smaller size. If you tap on it again, you will get different options here. Say a rectangular size. So you can see here. Now in order to move, just use the 2 finger to move anywhere. And if you want to deactivate again, just triple tap again. In my case I have used a triple tap, so I will gonna triple tap. So you can see here the magnification is now deactivated again. So by using this method, you can easily zoom the entire part or any part of the mobile screen in Samsung smartphone running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.